Hey, amazing friends. So I'm officially on day 3 of my 5-day water cleanse, and today I'm feeling super relaxed and chilled. My body's really starting to adjust to the lack of food, and as promised, I'm gonna share what's happening inside my body and what changes I'm noticing. After fasting for 48 hours from no food and only cleansing with water, autophagy is well underway, and this means my body is breaking down damaged cells, clearing out waste, and regenerating new and healthy cells. You know, my body is working in the same way as a major highway being shut down from traffic for maintenance, so workers can lay down new, fresh asphalt, they can remove any debris, and they can easily repair anything that needs fixing because there are no cars interfering. So the same thing applies to my body. It's shut down from food, cars, and now my internal cleanup crew, my cells, are going to work detoxing, clearing up, and repairing and renewing. Also, my body is in ketosis, and what that means is my body is burning fat for fuel or for energy. So here are a few things that I've noticed. My dreams have gotten so clear and vivid and lucid. Why? Because when you do this kind of cleanse, all of our organs are being detoxed, and that includes our mind, which is an organ. And because of that, my mind is processing everything, toxins, emotions, and even past experiences. It's a pretty amazing sign that my body is working on a deeper level to cleanse physically and emotionally too. So with this change, I'm also feeling an overall tiredness, which is my body's way of telling me I need more rest. I'm also experiencing an euphoric mood. I'm just feeling super happy and joyful. And another thing that I've been feeling is mentally sharp and more focused, which is great because I'm doing more mental work than physical work right now. So in general, I'm feeling amazing. I'm staying hydrated and enjoying not having to do any prepping of food or eating, actually. If you're considering a cleanse like this, make sure you are mentally and physically prepared. And remember, I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Stay tuned for day 4 and have a amazing day.